Now, who are the main players? There's really, kind of three different tiers of distribution outlets. You have the compliance-oriented ones. These are like PR Web, PR Newswire, Cision, Notified. These guys. They're expensive. They nickel and dime you for everything. They typically don't have very much in the way of SEO features, if they have any SEO features at all, other than basic backlinks. And then you've got your bargain basement guys. I'm not going to name any names here. Generally lower priced, although sometimes they're not very low priced. They typically have poor distribution, both by count as well as they tend to use some of the more spammy PBN style networks that are out there. And if they have SEO features, they tend not to be very broad and are generally focused on just backlinks and not any of the extra stuff. And then you've got premium distributors. That's obviously where we fit in. Maj over Magic PR, they would fit into this as an example of somebody else. Generally, the distribution is better, and usually you're going to get some pretty solid SEO features as well. And so if you're going to send out press releases, for your clients, pick the premium distributors. Don't go with the bargain basement and the compliance-oriented folks. Those are completely overkill for what you're trying to do.